The weather changes throughout the year, meaning that no matter where your customers live, driving conditions most likely change as the seasons do. Your customers' vehicles will benefit from having tires fitted that are specifically intended for their driving habits and regional weather conditions. For example, what should you tell your customers when they ask when is the best time to switch from summer to winter or winter to summer? Let's talk about why matching the right tires to the right season is so important. When the seasonal temperature falls below 46 degrees Fahrenheit, Continental recommends making the switch to winter tires. Winter tires perform well in cold weather conditions, ranging from snow and ice to wet and cold dry roads, and provide enhanced braking performance in snowy and icy conditions and feature a deeper tread pattern, clearing away slush and digging into the snow for greater traction. Another reason they're so effective is that they're made of custom rubber compounds that stay soft and flexible at low temperatures for better vehicle control compared to summer tires. Winter tires have a higher siping count, which means more biting edges for improved snow and ice traction. The softer tread compound is specifically formulated to remain flexible in frigid temperatures when summer tires, they'd be too hard. Winter tires also have a higher void percentage, which is the free space between the rubber blocks and the tread pattern. The higher void count leads to more snow packed in the tread. This ultimately leads to more snow-on-snow contact, providing improved braking and acceleration. The Continental Viking Contact 7 is an example of a winter tire that provides impressive traction and braking on snow and ice with technologies like 3D trap sipes. It delivers superior grip and control even in the harshest of winter conditions. When seasonal temperatures climb above 46 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to fit your customers with summer tires. Continental says summer tires deliver high grip levels on wet and dry roads through dedicated tread patterns and compounds. Summer tires provide high stability in curves and optimal mileage performance at warm temperatures. Summer tires have less siping since they need fewer biting edges for snow and ice. Instead, they have more tire contact on the road surface for grip, and the tread compound is stiffer to handle higher temperatures but still maintain grip. Summer tires also have a lower void percentage since they don't need to clear snow away. The closer together the tread blocks, the more traction and stability the tires will achieve. For summer tire options, the Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02 is ideal, offering superior dry and wet handling and excellent dry and wet braking. With Continental's advanced Sport Plus technology, it provides responsive handling, better wet grip, and extended tread life. While summer and winter tires are optimized for their respective season, all-season tires offer safety, performance, and grip in moderate climates without the cost, effort, and time required for seasonal tire changes. They have tread designs and rubber compounds that work in a variety of conditions, and all-season tires are a great choice if you live in an area that has mild winters and you don't see much snow. No matter what the season is, Continental has a tire designed with the leading technology to match all your driving needs. Consult with your Continental tire retailer to pick the right tires for your customer base's vehicles and the driving conditions in your area.